Hello kids! Today we will draw a cute fox. So let's start. First draw a circle, but make it pointed. Draw like me, like this. Now draw a line and fill black color. Good job, now let's draw its ears. Make two pointed angle, like this. Draw like a pyramid, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now let's draw the eyes. First draw a circle, then make a dot. Well done, now draw another eye. And it will look very beautiful. Lastly, draw a big happy smile. Draw a curved line, then draw a big curved line and connect it. Good job, we complete its face. Now let's draw its body. First draw a big circle, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw fox legs. Draw a thick line and make the shoes. Good job, now draw the other leg also. Draw a thick line, then draw the shoes. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw its hand. Draw a line, like this. Then draw some fingers. Well done, now draw the other hand also. Do the same thing, and it will look very beautiful. Lastly, draw a big tail. First draw a big curved line. Then draw another big curved line and connect it. Lastly, draw a line, like this. Look, we draw a cute fox tail. To make it more cute, let's draw some star balloon. First draw a heart shape, like this. Well done, now draw another heart shape, but make it bigger. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the rope and connect it with hand. Good job, we complete the drawing. Now let's color it. First use orange color on fox face. Color the ears first. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Now color the face. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Carefully color on eyes and mouth. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Look how cute it's looking. Now use orange color on foxtail. Do the same thing. First color the outline. Now use red color and color on its body. Color the outline and it will look very beautiful. You can also use different colors. Use different colors and make your own creativity. Now use red color and draw the fox tongue. Just follow me and it's done. Good job! Now use brown color inside of mouth. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Well done, we almost completed the drawing. Now use pink color and make a circle. Make it blush. Lastly, use red color on heart-shaped balloon. Color the outline and it will look very cute. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Color the other heart also. You know what? He is Peppa Pig friend. And his name is Freddy the Fox. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.